Welcome to my channel Mathematics Made Easy by Mary MJ. Today I am discussing CBSE Class 8 Chapter 6 Squares and Square Roots. So studying squares and square root is very important because you know that finding out the area of a square, given that a square, one side is 2 centimeter. What is the area of the square? That you have already studied. Area of a square is equal to side square. That means if it is side is 2, then area is 2 square, which is equal to 4. Same way we can find out the squares of other numbers also. So that is 1 square. 1 square means 1 into 1, which is equal to 1 itself. Then what is 2 square? 2 square is 2 into 2, that's equal to 4. 3 square is equal to 3 into 3, which is equal to 9. Then what about 4 square? 4 square means, so same number multiplying, that's called the squares. So 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 5 square. What is 5 square? 5 into 5 is equal to 25. Then what about 6 square? That is 6 into 6 is equal to 36, and so on. So we can write all the squares like this. So one thing you have to notice is that, so that the square of any number will be ending in which all, that is, if it is 1 square, it is 1 itself. 2 square, it is 4. 3 square is 9. Again 4 square is 16, it is ending in 6. Then 5 square is ending in 5. 6 square is ending in 6. What about 7 square? 7 into 7 is ending in, last number is 9, 49, 9. Then 8 square, 8 into 8, it is ending in, last number will be in the unit place, it is 4. Then what about 9 square? It is 9 into 9, which is equal to 81, it is ending in 1. So what you can generalize from this? Any square of any number will be ending either in 1, 4, 9, 6 or 5. Any other thing, any other numbers are coming in the unit place? Just check it. What about 11 square? It is 121. Again this last number is 1 itself. 12 square, it is 144. Again the last number is 4. So it is ending either in 1, 4, 9, 6 or 5. So also you can say that one more thing is there. What about 10 square? 10 square is 100. So the last number will end in 0 also. So which all numbers, what will be the unit place of the squares of the numbers? So unit place will be, or all these numbers, squares of any numbers will be ending in either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So which all will not be the squares of any number? So which all, what about the squares of, what about other numbers, that is remaining 2, 3, 7 or 8 in the unit place? It won't be squares of any number. So which all will not be squares of any number? If the numbers are ending in 2, 3, 7, 8, 2, 3, 7 or 8. These 4 numbers. Then it won't be the square of any number. If the numbers are ending in 2, 3, 7 or 8, then it won't be the square of any number. Square of any number. So, very important result. If the square of any numbers will be ending in 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. If it is not a square of any number, then it will be ending, then only we can say that 2, 3, 7 and 8. If it is ending in 2, 3, 7 and 8, we can say that it is not square of any of the numbers. Then, one question. Which of 123 square, 77 square, 82 square and 161 square, 109 square would end with digit 1. So, we can see from this table itself, 1 square is 1, then which else? 9 square is ending in 1. 1 square and 9 square only end in 1. So, here the question is, which of 123 square, 77 square, 82 square, 161 square, 109 square would end the digit in 1. So, we have seen that 1 square, last number ending with 1 square, it's square. 109 square, 9 square and 1 square. We can say that it's squaring also, it end up in 1 itself. Whereas other numbers, 3 square, see the last digit, 3 square is 9, 7 square is 49, so end up with 9. 2 square means it will end up with 4. So, 1 square, that is 161 square and 109 square, because 9 into 9 is 81. So, 161 square and 109 square from these numbers end with digit 1. End with digit 1. So, no need of multiplying, only we have to check the last digits. Okay. Now, next one, next question. Which of the following numbers would have digit 6 at unit place? Which of the following digit would have digit 6 at the unit place? First one, 19 square, second one, 24 square, third question, 26 square, then fourth one, 36 square and fifth one, 34 square. Out of these, which all end with unit place as 6? Unit place should be 6. So, we know that either 4 square if we are doing, we are getting the last digit as 6, or 6 square also end up with 6. So, we have to find from these given questions which all end up with unit place as 6. So, either 24 square, then 26 square, 36 square, 34 square, these all end up with unit place as 6, which all 24 square end up with 6, because 4 4s are 16. Then 26 square, that also end up with 6, because 6 square is 36. Again 36 square also end up with 6. Then 34 square also end up with 6. So, end up with 6 means either it should be, last digit should be either 4 or 6. Then next one, what will be the ones digit? What will be the ones digit in the square of the following numbers? In the square of the following numbers. What will be the ones digit in the square of the following numbers? First one 1, 2, 3, 4. Second one 2, 6, 3, 8, 7. Third one 5, 2, 6, 9, 8. Then fourth one 9, 9, 8, 0. Fifth question 2, 1, 2, 2. Then sixth question 9, 1, 0, 6. So out of these, what will be the, we have to find what will be the ones digit in the square of these numbers. So in the first one, the square of the ones digit will be the ones digit in the square of above numbers are, for the first one, its square means I have to check only for the 4. 4 if it is coming at last, the last ones digit will be 6. Then second one, if it is 7 here, the ones digit in the square it will be 9. Then third one, here the last digit you can see here it is 8, square of if it is 8 coming, then its square will be, last number will be, units place will be 4. Then fourth question, it is ending up in 0 here, so here also it will end, that is square also will end in 0. Then fifth question, it is ending up with 2 here, so in the square it will be 4. Then fifth question, it is ending in 6 here, then square will end in 6 itself. Okay. Then next one, so next one we have to check what is the square of 10. What is 10 square? 10 square is 100. What about 20 square? 20 square is, if we have to square this 2, that is 4, and here 0, 1 0 means in the square there will be 2 0. So 20 square is 400. Then what about 80 square? 8 into 8 is 64. Then here 1 0, in the square there will be 2 0. Then what about 100 square? 1 square is 1. Then here 2 zeros are there. Then in the square 4 zeros will be there. Then what about 200? 200 square, that's equal to 2 square is 4, remaining 4 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 2 zeros, its square consists of 4 zeros. Then what about 900 square? 9 square is 81. Then here 2 zeros, in the square we can see 4 zeros. So that's a way of finding out the number of zeros in the squares. It will be just the double. Okay, now next one, what will be the number of zeros? What will be the number of zeros? What will be the number of zeros in the square of the following numbers? In the square of the following numbers. First one 60, second one 400. What will be the number of zeros? Only we have to check the number of zeros in the square of this. So in the first one, number of zeros will be, how many zeros will be here? Here 1 0, and in the square there will be 2 zeros. Then second one, you can see here 2 zeros are here, in the square there will be double of that, 4 zeros will be there. So that's a way in which you have to find the squares of a number. So you should understand that square of any number will be ending with either 0, 1, 4, 6, 9. So these all will be the unit place of any of the square of the numbers. and if it is ending with 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, 7, it won't be having square. It is not squares. It is not square of any number. So 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 means it is the squares of any of the numbers will be ending with this. And one more small thing I'll tell you, how to find the square of numbers ending with 5. A small technique, that is, if it is ending with 5, how to find the square? So easy. So first you take this 2, then multiply with the just next number. So 2 into 3. 2 multiply with the next number, that is 2 into 3, 6. Then square this 5 and write here. What about 35 square? 3 into the next number is 4. So 3 into 4 is 12. Then square of 5 is 25. So very easy to find, calculate the square of numbers ending with 5. Or if how to find 45 square? 4 into next number, 4 into 5, that is 20, and 5 square is 25. Or 55 square, same way, 5 into next number, that is 5 into 6 is 30, then square of 5 is 25. Then remaining the 2 digit ending with 5, you can calculate it like this. A number, the first number into the next number, then square of 5. Okay, very easy, right? So the remaining squares and square root will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching my video. Those who haven't subscribed, please like, share and subscribe, and also click on the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Bye.